Hi guys, I'm here with my cats, and I'm sorry. Let me set this out for now. I'm gonna show you all of them because I have more than you expected. Hey, no fighting. That's a kitten. No fighting, girl. Hi. Good. Me too. Okay. No, just one of my neighbors. We're gonna eat right now. I'm not forcing them to eat, guys. Okay. Here's one of them. Here's Emma. Oh, he's my baby lizard. Oh no, I did not mean to scare you away. This is Emma. I have 3 minutes so I can do everything. Emma. This is Mustache. That's Moonlight. Let me go show you Michelle. This is Michelle. This is what I feed them in. You see? I put the food over there. That's the whole fam. This is Emma's sister. She has catnip right now. I have these little cat toys. I have this little mouse for them. I actually have a cat one. You are obsessed with this thing. I'm going to show you. This girl's 18 and her name's Michelle. Oh wait, I already told you that. Duh. This little guy's 4 weeks. 4 weeks. No, I mean 8 weeks. They're both 8 weeks. This girl is 25. Yeah, I know she's old. I have this because one of my cats died. Good times. Now the moment of truth, will they play? Oh, she loves to play. Wanna play? Oh no, she's gonna fight. Let me paralyze her. I can't get her. One time I had to baby a bird just because of them. Yeah, good times. Now the moment of truth, will they play? Sorry, that other moment of truth. I didn't see. I don't think I got it all. So let me stop this for now. Okay, sorry guys, I didn't do the second moment of truth, so let me do that. She's not playing right now. Let me go do Michelle. Oh no, she had a catnip. She's running away from me. But I just did a moment of truth to delete it, so I had to end you with the photo, okay? Okay, I love you guys.